Hello everyone. Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Flavor. I'm bringing you in because today I'm making tortilla wraps I have here tomatoes, English cucumber, black beans, and corn. My tortillas, if you have any sensitivity to flour, then use lettuce. I make my dressing by chopping one garlic clove, some shallots, salt, some cilantro, olive oil, and vinegar. And I added some of this white wine vinegar. But I will not add this now. I let it sit there so the oil can infuse the garlic and the shallots and whatnot. I don't add a lot of shallots because I don't like it. I don't want it to overpower my dressing. And then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I'm only going to drizzle the salad dressing while I assemble the tortilla wraps. And I have here some codfish that I have seasoned a day ago with a lot of lime. I'll show you that. Let me just show you real quick, which I'm going to put in the oven. I'm not going to, there it is. I got to drizzle some olive oil, put it in the oven. It'll be done in no time. As far as your salad goes, you can add avocado. You can add a whole bunch of other things. Make it your own. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any ripened avocado, so that's why I'm going with this. Hey guys, so there it is. I put the codfish in the oven, and I'm giving it 30 minutes. I drizzled some olive oils over top, and I went ahead and timed it for 30 minutes, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Hey guys, so our codfish is done. I just pulled it apart, but it looks absolutely amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and warm up my tortillas. And if you're wondering how I warm up my tortilla, there you have it. See that? Yep. For a couple of minutes and then we're done. You see how they're parking up? They're perfect. Ready to be served. OMG, you guys. This turned out so incredibly delicious. I can't even tell you. I did bake it at 350. I forgot to mention that earlier. But if you like this video, guys, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up as it helps my channel grow. Thank you.